So it seems like market is in correction. So we need to allow some more time. So once our system or our opportunity comes, so we are ready to enter. So I think so we need to allow another 10 to 15 minutes max, so we can take a trade, I believe. We'll see. We need to allow time. So my policy is always like follow a system, don't get deviated. So it will gives you consistency. Consistency gives you uh, stable income, I can say. So we'll see. We'll wait. Till to date, we have done around 18 to 19 trades on daily basis. Daily only one trade, and only one stop loss got hit for us. So rest of the all the days is profit for us. We are more than a 10% of the capital in 20 days. So we'll see what is going to happen in the future. I'll keep updated, and my YouTube link is connected with this, and I have a separate WhatsApp group, and I'm keep updating in the Insta also, so you people can follow there and join in the WhatsApp group. And it is completely free for a few days, so you people can join there if you want to achieve daily zero point 0.5 or up to 2%. Sometimes market itself gives with the sudden spike will helps you to gain more than 5% or 10% also. That was also happened to us. So just allow some time for today's trade. Nifty is in consolidation phase. We might expect a break of this level uh, around 10 o'clock. So we'll see. So if it is break, for sure it will be reaching to R2. We'll see what is going to happen now. We need to allow few minutes and be patient. It seems like respecting that level. So I'm just allowing some more time. So we'll see. Even now also we can enter into a trade. It is a strong bullish signal for today. The volumes are getting increased, but there is no movement in the price. So we'll see what is going to happen. Does not have enough volume to break this level. Almost there, and it is time to enter into a trade. So I'm just keeping ready everything. So just I need a close above. Yeah, it is 170 entry. I think so. I need to modify this, or just allowing some time. Just a point. I don't think so. It will come there. So I'm going to modify this as 73. Oh my god, it seems like I have missed an opportunity. We'll see whether it's going to be triggered or not. Yeah, it has got triggered. So I have given my exit point also. Just we need to allow some time. Sometimes watching on the chart after the execution or executing the trade, so we might get confused. To avoid confusion, just we need to check what is our stop loss point or something, and we need to analyze that it is around 160, and I can take it as around 152, and just go go to this order screen, keep checking here to avoid confusion, and yeah, best to avoid confusion here. So in the GTT, what was the target it has taken for 75.6, but we have given us the target as 76. 74, 74 point something, 73. So definitely we'll be reaching 75 minimum. At least for a second it will come to 75. So yes, here the best thought or idea is a patience. On the other side, I'm just checking the Nifty. It's not gaining strength. And one more important thing, guys. So this is our YouTube page. So I'm just updating my daily recordings here, and it is a new channel. This is first time for me coming into social kind of a Facebook and updating those things. And this is our Facebook page where I used to keep update our daily target and achievements here. Even if it is a profit or loss, I'll keep updating here, so on daily basis, so you people can follow it. Now we'll back to trade. Normally it won't take much time, but today's market condition is slightly on the consolidation phase, so we need to allow some time. Huge fight is happening here, but normally, as on my experience, if there is some confusion or something, uh, there is no volume or any confusion happening for a long time, mostly it will come to the negative side, so which is PE. So we are almost there in the PE side only. So we'll see. And please stick to the plan, only one trade a day. It's a doji candle formed here, kind of a doji. So we'll see which side of it is breaking. So it's almost about to break downside only. We'll see. Here in the Nifty, I see the candle pattern does not have a strength, and still there is this two. If you see these two candles, and here in this pattern, it shows there is no enough volume, but still we have a big resistance and consolidation phase here. So again, it is entering into the consolidation phase. So we just need one candle to be closed below or this. Kind of a panic situation is happening. So it is a great support has happened, what's happened here. We'll see what is going to happen with the help of support. Normally, what I'll do is when it goes down without executing my target, so I used to keep adding one lot for every 5 points down. So for an example, here I have my stop loss is around 150. If this goes beyond, like I mean 65, 70 or 60, I used to keep add one lot, but today because of this consolidation phase I haven't add any lots here, just waiting with the patience. Normally I haven't um, spent this much time for this trade, so this is the first time that I'm spending in last 1 month of a time. And one more important thing, kind of a Friday. So we used to face this kind of situations Friday and Monday. So we have to be very clear what we are doing. And just checking the trade with a slight higher time frame. So normally I used to have 1 minute for this quick trade. Now I got shift to 3 minutes time frame because I'm spending more than a 5 minutes here. So to analyze what is happening. So actually, according to the market situation, we need to keep switching and modifying or kind of what to say. You have to change your analyze pattern according to the market trend, but do not change the system. You just need one simple spark or one sudden spike to close my trade. So it won't take normally this much time. Yeah, we are done for the day and we have successfully achieved our daily target 0.5 or up to 2 percentage, and market is keep going up. So it is not our it is our this is not my style actually. So my style is simple, daily 0.5 to up to 2 percentage. So I'm happy. So if you need more trade and during in this type of a situation, kind of a consolidation phase, what we need to do, how to analyze, how to be patient, I'll teach you. Even if you have any strategy, I'll help you to enhance that strategy or how to implement that, what we can do better, and kind of a brainstorm session I can help you with. So that's all for the day, and thank you so much.